All right, so I'm gonna start with GBPJPY. I'm gonna start with GBPJPY today, and for that reason, all right, I'm gonna start with GBPJPY today. As we've seen, GBPJPY is actually it actually didn't respect the previous flip zone that we had actually, but as you see, I managed to. So I was stopped out from this trade by a break even, because as you see, I told you last week as I was entering, I entered from this point right here. And if you could remember very well, guys, I told you about my risk management plan that if it breaks via past the most previous internal lower high, that means that I'll be at that time. That's where I take my break. I move my stop loss to break even after a change in minor structure. So for that reason, by the time this trade reached this point, I managed to take a break even from this trade. And yes, guys, whenever I reach on a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, that's when I reduce my lot size by a half. So I leave half of the lots moving and I close half of them. So guys, on this trade actually, I got a break even. So guys, on this trade I got a break even. So yes, and here's my next move for the next. This is my next week for this coming week. I'm expecting GBPJPY to actually GBPJPY is to break this level, as you see. But what I'm mostly expecting that GBPJPY is gonna tap this demand zone that we have right here. There's a demand zone that we have right here, so I'm expecting GBPJPY to touch this demand zone and then fly higher. So the only other point that I can buy GBPJPY from after a break above this minor resistance that it left here, if you could see, it left some minor resistance. So if it breaks above and then retest, I could also take further buys. But literally, I'm highly expecting that GBPJPY is gonna drop to this man zone, and so I'll be taking further buys. Or maybe if it changes structure and breaks below this previous higher low that we have right here, that would mean a change in structure, and so that means that we would have changed bias to bearish. But before that, GBPJPY is actually still bullish. Maybe for those who take short trades, you may take some short sell from this point here, as you see. But I'm expecting that there are high chances that it's gonna drop to this demand level, then it flies higher. So this is what I have, guys. So this is what I have, guys, for GBPJPY. Yeah, this is what I have for the coming week. So I'm expecting GBPJPY to react from somewhere here. And then we drop lower. GBPJPY. The other setup that I might consider on GBPJPY, it's a break above this minor resistance here, then a retest and further buys on GBPJPY. So guys, I don't know if you have any idea that you are looking towards on GBPJPY. And so that takes me to gold. So guys, this takes me to gold. And for gold, guys, and for gold, network is slowing me. And for gold, actually, it's bullish, but so yes. So gold, on gold, as you see, it broke past this level that we have right here. We have a certain level here. So guys, if you could see this, gold broke past this level, and I'm hoping that it's gonna break higher, and then we retest, having further buys on gold if it breaks more further. But then if it doesn't break more further and then retest this level, a reaction in this zone, I'll be taking buys from this area here. So that's what I have for gold. I'm expecting for buys either at this level, this area here, or a break above and then retest, then fly higher. So that's what I'm hoping for gold, guys. And as you see, there is some fair value gap that was left below this way, so it might also want to retest it and come to that zone that's right below there. Itu akan kita lihat.